Here's three stocks we're watching for next week. Google, sitting at a price point of $100 per share. We're definitely buying some more Google if it definitely drops under it. So what you could do is you can sell a cash geared put for $99 for next week. Something like that would be pretty good. That's going to give you about a 1% return, a little under, but we'll be fine picking up Google shares under $100 per share. So we're really watching that. Google's an amazing company. It's a huge tech giant. And as we can see, it has been doing pretty bad since 2022. So we really want to look for this stock, picking up some cheap shares. So next stock on our list is going to be Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook. As we can see, they have been doing pretty bad. So we do want to keep an eye on Meta Platforms for sure. It's actually lower right now than it was during the March pandemic crash. So we are actually looking to pick up some shares of Meta Platforms, or you can sell some cash clear puts and try to get the stock at an even cheaper price. So very good stock, and it really is betting on the metaverse, which is a lot of people are hyping up. So it is going to be the riskier stock on this list, but it could pay out bigly because the stock is down quite a bit. So a lot of people have lost faith in Facebook Meta platforms. So now would be a great opportunity to buy in at a low point for a potential high reward. And then last stock on our list is going to be, of course, Amazon, which is just like Google. They underwent a 20-for-1 stock split earlier in the year, but Amazon, it is down quite a bit in the past year, down 28%. So it is at a low point as well. Amazon, fantastic company, huge tech giant. They're doing so much stuff. And as we can see, I actually have a cash gear put open, but you can open up some cash gear puts if you want to try to get the stock at a cheaper price. So here I am saying that I'm willing to buy 100 shares of Amazon at $120 per share by next week. But otherwise, if it doesn't, no worries. I'm going to collect $171 of premium if the contract expires worthless. So very fantastic options trade there. Or you could just outright buy shares of Amazon, because Amazon is a buy and hold for a long term. Very solid company. Same with Google. I would recommend buying and holding shares in a long-term portfolio. And if you want to risk your stock, that's what Meta Platforms is here on this list.